Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Astrology Chat for April 14th, 2024. So the keys for today are to allow yourself to flow to where you can find focus, where you can find deeper understanding about yourself and about what you need. Allow yourself to vocalize where you need to kind of go into your shell and take the time to understand your feelings and your desires on a deeper level. Now, if you allow yourself to do this in a very loving and nurturing way, then it'll be an easier type of day. We are all in one way or another working out emotions that we're not quite sure about because we're just being more honest with ourselves and being more curious about finding systems that work for us. And that's okay. I say this because we have the moon in Cancer. This is the house of the moon. This is the house of I feel. This is your emotions, your feelings, your intuition, your home, very much like that mothering, parenting energy. And in one way or another, all of us are learning how to parent ourselves in a way that's helpful for us. And that's okay. You just need to take your time with that. We do have the moon in Cancer making a trine to Mars and a trine to Saturn. And so this trine to Mars and Saturn really does inspire you to kind of get into the grid of it. Like, you want to figure it out. You want to find new structures. You want to understand the pieces. And you can be very driven. It is a long-term type of energy, right? Anytime Saturn's in the mix, this isn't about like an instantaneous thing. This is a long-term type of project. So anything that you start today or refocus on today or continue to rework today will have the benefit of your dedication and focus. So lean into that. Now, we do have a semi-square with Uranus, which means that there can be kind of like wild emotions and unexpected outbursts because, one way or another, we're all learning how to deal with our feelings and expressing ourselves, and that's not going to be a perfect process. So don't necessarily take things like super personal today. Cancer can be a passive-aggressive energy just because it doesn't know how to walk straight, but it wants to, and it's learning how to do so. We also have a square to the North Node and to Venus. So where you're trying to externally get like a sense of validation and comfort, it's not going to go so well. You're actually being pushed into yourself to figure out where you can give yourself stability, where you need to go for your own direction, what you really love and what you need to focus your passions about. Remember, this is the North Node in Aries, which also is the South Node in Libra. So it's not that other people don't want to give you what you need, but it's really about you giving yourself what you need and coming from a whole space and then being able to connect with others. Like I said yesterday, we have a lot of planets in Aries. And so this is not necessarily about everybody else. This is about you and you figuring out what that means for you and then connecting with people from that place. I love you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow.